Hello friends and welcome to Amazon. Today we have the all-new iQOO Z7s, a new upgrade in the feature-loaded Z series from iQOO. So let's get started. So that you get to know everything about this new smartphone. First in line, we have the camera. The iQOO Z7s has a dual camera setup featuring a 64 megapixel OIS main lens and a 2 megapixel bokeh lens. This smartphone takes photography to the next level. The 16 megapixel front camera ensures stunning selfies as well. The optical image stabilization or OIS technology works wonders, providing sharpness and clarity in every shot. So no matter how the lighting conditions are, OIS ensures your photographs come out wonderful in every scenario. In low light or in no light conditions, OIS enhances light and colors, making your photos stand out without the need for extensive post-editing. Plus, with HDR video recording, you can achieve superior video quality on all your memories. This device boasts of a 6.38-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with a peak brightness of 1300 nits. You can comfortably use your phone even in bright sunlight. Not only does the AMOLED display offer an enriching visual experience, but it also provides a fast touch response, perfect for those intense gaming sessions with its 360Hz touch sampling rate. Unlocking your phone has never been easier. The in-display fingerprint sensor offers a fast and more convenient way to secure your device. The Snapdragon 695 5G processor ensures a seamless user experience. With faster app response time, smoother multitasking, and improved gaming performance, this device has got you covered in every way possible. So, no more lag during those intense gaming sessions or while juggling between different apps. The energy-efficient 6nm process also extends the battery life, so you can stay connected for longer. Next up, we have the design that is both sleek and practical. With a thickness of just 7.8 mm, this smartphone is one of the slimmest in its segment. Its lightweight design ensures easy portability, while the flat design provides a better grip, reducing the chances of accidental slips. This smartphone comes in two attractive color variants, Norway Blue and Pacific Night. Say goodbye to waiting for charging with a 44-watt flash charge. You can get 50% of your battery power in just 24 minutes. The iQOO Z7s boasts of a long-lasting battery backup, supports smart charging, and optimizes charging speed based on your phone's usage. The iQOO Z7s comes with two variants, 6GB RAM and 8GB RAM. With extended RAM 3.0 double up, your RAM power can unlock next-level multitasking. You can switch through 27 apps at the same time without any lag on this powerful device. This smartphone runs on Android 13. Coming to its storage, you get 128GB internal storage, which is further expandable up to 1 TB. So save as many memories as you want on the iQOO Z7s. And last but not the least, this phone supports dual 5G SIMs for blazing fast connectivity. So overall, the iQOO Z7s is an excellent smartphone in its segment. If you're looking for a feature-loaded phone that gives you an excellent user experience with its high-end camera, bright display, powerful processor, and fast charging capability, this smartphone is surely worthy of an upgrade. That's it for iQOO Z7s. I hope you had fun watching this video. Thank you so much.